Hi, welcome once again. The names still remain Momo Tech TV. Today we are going to learn a newly way of how to make money online with just our phone and MTN mobile money account. If today is your first time being in this channel, I will highly welcome you to subscribe to this channel, and do not forget to also turn on the notification bell and put it on all so that any time that a video like this has been posted, you will be the first person to be notified by YouTube that Momo Tech has released a new video. Also, I recommend you to give this video a like for it to reach more audience, and also put your comment at the comment section of how you want us to make videos for you. For us not to waste time, let us dive into what we have for today. I discover a legit way you can make money with your phone without a stress out, because you will be sleeping while your money are still doubling. So this money source that I'm talking about was generated by MTN service for you to put your money in your mobile money account and be earning a commission out of that. So this is so great and wonderful. So to access this, you have to deposit money into your account more than 55 Ghana cedis and dial the normal MTN mobile money access code *170 $, then follow the other prompt from my phone screen. So let's dive to my screen.
Next level with amazing and stunning designs. Valley Tech expert in services like graphic designing, they will create for you the most unique designs you have ever seen. They also specialize in mobile and desktop app developing. Just bring to them your ideas, and they will execute for you within a short possible time. Social media and online marketing is another service they render. They will help your business connect to people through all social media sites, which includes YouTube growth and monetization. They also specialize in video ads designing. Get your website designed with interactive video promo. Visit their YouTube channel at YouTube name as Momo Tech TV. If you want a business looking to create awesome website for it, then don't worry, I got you covered. I introduce
a huge one that's going to help you to earn something cool with your phone. Now, if you are in Ghana, this is something good for you. I don't know much about the Nigerians. I know any African country that is using MTN, you can get this offer. Now, this is an offer that is going to pay you a percentage of money, which you are not going to do any work. You will just be sleeping and while earning the money. For me to stop all this, in short, let's just jump into this. So pick your phone and go to your dialer, dial *170#. When the pop-out opens like this, you select from the menus. We have one transfer money, second one Momo Pay and Pay Bill. Second, we have the third one, which is number 3, airtime and bundles. We have 4, allow cash out, and 5, financial services. So we want financial activity, so we deal with financial service. You press 5, you enter. Then a different pop out again. They say financial services. Then when you look at the prompt that come out as a financial service, we have bank service, we have savings, we have loans, we have pensions and investment, we have insurance and trade share. We are not dealing with any of these shares. We are going to do about savings today. So I will later tackle of all this, and I'll tell you all the benefit of them. So we choose 2 as savings. 2. I am doing this for the purpose of this video, and I'll be showing you later as a proof of my earn I'm getting from my normal money account. So we are taking yellow save, which is 1. So you choose 1. Network. Now we choose 1, yellow save. Then you choose the yellow save. Oh, the network is fooling here. Then they ask you to register. Welcome to yellow save. Then you press 1 and register. Then they said yellow to view terms and conditions. So if you want to follow the terms and conditions, the prompt in this thing, you press 1 and view them. So I have read them and I know them. So let me just go. So if you are the one, you go and read before you also start this, because it is like go and keep your money and they'll be giving you interest of it. So the second one you do, you put second. Then you said you have read the terms and conditions, so you want to continue. So the network is always delaying. Let's wait more if it comes out. Then one, proceed. Then now them press one and proceed. They say please enter your more money pin code, so which I will not share with you